With over 150 years of excellence, Widener's engineering program is amongst one of the best in the region. Widener offers 5 different majors in the engineering department, including mechanical, civil, electrical, biomedical, and chemical engineering. Widener's engineering program is designed to stimulate creative and analytical thinking and to provide exposure to real-world practical aspects of the profession. It prepares graduates for employment and advanced graduate study.
I think engineering is a great discipline to study because it gives you a well-rounded knowledge of analyzing a lot of different problems, whether they're in engineering or science and math or economics, and just gives you a good logical foundation for working with everyday problems.
I chose engineering due to the benefits after the schooling, as well as there's many opportunities with engineering. You're not set to one specific job for the rest of your life.
I chose engineering because in high school I had a lot of engineering classes and I really liked them, and I just wanted to continue on.
In my field of study, I'm actually focused in structural design, which is a subset of civil engineering. And for the department, I teach a soil mechanics lab, which deals with the study of soils under foundations for buildings.
As a discipline, engineering is can provide a fairly good career, a good income. Usually employment opportunities are fairly plentiful, and good opportunity for advancement.
The thing I like most about the engineering program is that they really show you how to do everything and like how everything is affecting like this building or that structure, and I just really enjoy it, and I like how it pushes me and makes me really try.
What I like most about the engineering program is, I guess, the ability to be able to solve any type of problem that's given to you, as well as when you get higher up in your, I guess, schooling years. You know, it's more of a hands-on approach at that point.
Our labs are really focused to help the students get a real-world experience. So we actually use soil that are from surrounding sites. We have them do analysis on it to determine their properties and their strengths. So that's something they'll definitely see in the real world.
I'd say the campus resource that helped me the most is the professors, because, you know, they've been in the profession for so many years. They know the ins and outs of problem solving, the coursework, anything to do with that.
I would just tell them to keep on, if they really like it, just keep on trying, because you'll always find a way to figure it out and work things out, and it's worth it in the end.
I think a lot of personal satisfaction in teaching is to seeing students improve themselves. So oftentimes I'll see students that'll come into a course and may have difficulty with the mathematics or solving the problems. But when you spend time with them and give them homework exercises and work with them and see how they evolve to the point where they can just sit down and work through the problems, that's a great accomplishment. And it'll help the student eventually for a career, that they'll be productive over their lifetime. And from a teaching perspective, that's a pretty big reward.